service. I have control of the street. Is our paging system still working?
We are unsure. We're going to attempt it.
We are in the basement level of the police department.
Yeah, possible tornado, 13th degree north.
One of our officers was on the east side of town and started heading right towards where his location was.
321, 223, I'm on range line now. You may head that way. Yeah, just kind of go slow and don't keep an eye out because we're not sure where it's going or where it's headed. Tornado on over Flying J. Tornado over Flying J. I'm in a tornado! I'm in a tornado! I'm in service.
The wind's blowing so hard.
You got a way out? I don't know where I'm at.
You just hope at that point.
His side window was broken out, so he's getting debris and rain inside the vehicle with him.
23, who's that?
It was Waters.
Waters, I'm in a tornado. Copy. If you can, try to find a shelter or somewhere to pull underneath. Are you injured?
We, of course, took radio silence for him at that point.
I'm going northbound, but I don't know where I'm at. Copy. Just keep contact with us so we know you're okay. I think I'm north of it, but I don't know.
He did finally.
I should have drove through the lab again. I'm good.
Officer down! Officer down, 249 and I-44.
We had a civilian actually grab his radio and yell, "Officer down."
That was a civilian using our radio?
The civilian using our radio. It was 357's vehicle that she was calling from.
When was our last contact with Officer Waters? Last I heard he wasn't moving.
There was that clinch and that.
270 status.
I'm in a ditch just north of 249 and 44.
He was safe. He was under the bridge. He was actually taking care of people at that point.